10 benefits of eating avocado every day. One of nature's superfoods, avocados are a tasty and nutrient-dense complement to any meal, snack, or by themselves. According to studies, eating an avocado every day can have a number of health benefits for our bodies. For this reason, this post will discuss the benefits of eating an avocado daily. 1. Cholesterol levels and heart health. This fruit is excellent in reducing blood triglycerides and LDL cholesterol levels while raising HDL cholesterol levels. Avocados include phytosterols, which are plant-based compounds that occur naturally and work to prevent the body from absorbing cholesterol. 38 mg of beta-sitosterol can be found in 1/3 of a medium avocado. Daily consumption strengthens eyes and brain. According to a study, healthy older persons who consume an avocado, whole and fresh, daily may experience improved brain and visual performance. That's due to the level of lutein and other nutrients in avocados. Quality nutritional profile. Swapping out bad fats for good fats is the secret to a healthy diet. Avocados are packed with beneficial monounsaturated fats, which significantly lower bad cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Avocados are a special fruit since they naturally have 6 grams of healthy fat per serving. Weight management. Regular avocado consumption will help you feel satisfied and reduce snack and sugar cravings. This superfruit can be helpful for managing and losing weight. Fresh avocados offer a special combination of nutrients and can be added to most meals as a topping, side, or spread. They are a good source of fiber, which keeps you feeling fuller longer, and naturally good fats. Fresh avocados can be used as a topping, side dish, or spread on most dishes and offer a special combination of nutrients. Blood pressure. Potassium can be found in avocados in good amounts. Because the body utilizes potassium for heart and kidney function, muscular contraction, and nerve transmission, potassium is crucial to health. The negative effects of salt on blood pressure are mitigated by dietary potassium, which lowers blood pressure. Immune system. By promoting the absorption of the fat-soluble vitamins A, D, and E, the monounsaturated fat in avocados can serve as an immune system food booster. Avocados are a good source of copper, a necessary mineral that supports a strong immune system. Enjoying this video? Please subscribe and click the notification button to receive updates on new videos. Help manages diabetes. Diabetes can be managed and even prevented in part through diet. Make each bite count. Foods that are high in nutrients give the vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients the body needs while having no extra sugar, saturated fat, or sodium. An example of a nutrient-dense food is 1/3 of a medium avocado, which offers 80 calories and approximately 20 vitamins and minerals. A serving of avocado also has no naturally occurring sugar and has no impact on glycemic response. Helps pregnancy. It helps the mother's capacity to conceive, maintain a healthy pregnancy, support the growth of the baby's brain and body, and produce nourishing breast milk are all influenced by her diet. Avocados are a rich source of potassium, folate, vitamin C, and vitamin B6, which are all necessary for the growth of the baby's tissues and brain as well as for the development of the fetus and the general health of the mother. Boost fiber intake. To increase fiber consumption, avocados are an excellent fresh fruit alternative. Avocados contain 30% soluble fiber, which lowers the risk of heart disease by preventing cholesterol from being absorbed by the digestive system. Plus, fiber prolongs your feeling of fullness. Promote healthy fat. Swapping out bad fats for good fats is the secret to a healthy diet. Avocados are packed with beneficial monounsaturated fats, which significantly lower bad cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Avocados are a special fruit since they naturally have 6 grams of healthy fat per serving.